Alright, so we just got the car pulled in here. So we're just gonna start by tearing this thing down. Yeah, first I'm gonna put it on all 4 jack stands. Probably pull the exhaust off and start working on the engine bay and all the front suspension components, because there's a bunch of stuff that I'll be redoing bushings and stuff like that. So we'll just start off with putting on all 4 jack stands and pulling these ugly wheels off. Now that we got basically most of the stuff off this knuckle, I'm going to press the hub out on both of them. I'm trying to get the inner fender wells like painted, so yeah, we're just going to do that right now. I'm going to pull the fender off first and then I'll work on it from there. the bumper off. We can work on this fender again. The reason I have to take the bumper off is because of the 10 mil right here. It's right under this like edge piece, trim piece, and need to remove the bumper to get access to it. This is what I'll be using. It's just like undercoating. Figure I'd try it out. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna see my wheel well much. Just want to clean it up, make it look nice, you know. So yeah, try this out. See how it works. The top part of where the holes are, just so I don't get any overspray in the bay, since the bay is basically already painted. Take a look at how like brown it is. It's very brown in there. Supposedly after it dries though, it will turn like a matte black. Hopefully it turns out nice because it looks pretty ugly being brown. I'll come back to this once it dries up. pull all the covering off the whole harness. It looks messy, so I'm just gonna redo it all. Here's a little bit of what the well looks like after the undercoating has dried. Nice matte black, looks pretty good. It's gonna look pretty clean once we get those rest of the suspension pieces painted and put back together with the new bearings and ball joint. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like.